Welcome to RIIDE. You are about to have access to a fleet of cars ready to be driven by you. You can download the RIIDE Cars app from the App Store, Google Play Store, or by scanning the QR code on the side of a RIIDE car. To start, you will first need to create an account. The RIIDE app provides an easy registration process, taking only a few moments to complete. You will need your driver's license and to take a quick selfie so we can confirm who you are. When finished with registration, our team will manually review your application for approval. And once your profile is ready, we will send an email to confirm. To book a car, all you need to do is press book and you're ready to start driving. If you haven't added a payment method, this is where you can add your bank card. When you have selected a car, you have 15 minutes to get to it. Find your booked car and do a quick inspection for any visible damage. You report it with the app if something is amiss. Use your phone to unlock it with the unlock button. The car will automatically unlock and enable the ignition to be started. Fuel cards and a quick reference guide is located in the centre console. Adjust the vehicle to your liking and go for a drive. RIIDE offers all-inclusive and affordable pricing for your drive. Forget about fuel, insurance, parking, registration, servicing and more. If during your drive the fuel gauge drops below 25%, you are encouraged to fill up the car using the fleet card at a supported fuel station, which are listed in the quick reference guide. When you fill up, we will apply a 10% discount from your trip. When finishing your drive, you will need to park the car in RIIDE-approved parking area. To view these areas, turn on parking zones in the app. These areas will then be coloured purple. You are always responsible for parking the vehicle in a safe and permitted area. Leave the car clean and don't forget your belongings. Register today and let's go for a ride. For more information, visit help.riide.com.au.